Welcome back, YouTube gang. We are heading out to the garage. I need to see if I got some studs. Good morning, Piggy. How's my piggy doing? Huh? What is my piggy doing? Yes, there's a good piggy. Piggy, that's my pig, if you didn't notice. And yes, we got the 318 IS back out here for you guys that have not seen yet. And this is going to be a total M3 swap. Everything M3 is going into this baby. The RX-7 over there, getting ready to take it down to Adams County. Couple hour drive. I need to get some welding work done, and I only go to one welder, and that is Arch Welding in Adams County. All right, you can see we got everything painted black, but not painted black. This is ceramic coat, guys. This is a good, strong ceramic coat, and black is the color that they recommend for heat, the best heat absorption type stuff. So yeah, that is nice. Oh, black turbo, black intake manifold, or exhaust manifold. I'm sorry. And black downpipe. And I'm taking this down to Arch today to have these old studs drilled out and new studs welded in. Yes, I could do it myself, but yes, it'll take forever. So I'm just going to take it down to his machine shop. He's going to wipe them Johnnies out of there for me and throw some new ones in. Oh, that's where we're at. Oh, got the body kit over here. When I get back this evening, we'll go ahead and pop the tires back off. We'll get it mounted. That way I can get these things to the paint shop. I also got to get these to the paint shop. Oh, one little spot there on the front bumper needs fixed up. Got a little spot on, well, a few little spots on the other one. And back bumper, really don't need a whole lot. Just a couple little spots fixed up on it. We're going to send that to a real body man over here at Woods, probably. Woody's. Oh, if anybody's familiar with Columbus, Ohio, you guys know Woody's. But yeah, the ceramic coat is nice. It is really nice. Throw this in the 7. Oh. Slap him right down there. And we're going to get that thing to the body shop. Oh. Go in here and tell wifey what's going on. Oh yeah, I got the front bumper for the Ultima too. Oh yeah, I still got to beat and bang on this hood to get it where I need it. The hood should be down here and over a little bit. The whole thing got pushed this way just a tad, but got the new front bumper on and it lines up fairly well. Needs a little bit of tweaking, but we'll get that on and painted. Wifey out here feeding the piggy. Alright guys, that's what I'm doing today. That's my plans for today. And it's a little chilly outside still, but it's a beautiful day. So we're going to take advantage of it and get some stuff done. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.